To install more cosmetics, more heads modes in Repo, first of all, you will need to visit the Thunderstore website and enter the Repo mods page. Now, when we have it, we can go for the most downloaded mods or just search for more heads. But I recommend to go for most downloaded since there's plenty of different mods that offer different customization options and you can use them all together. So find whichever mods you like, for example this one and this one, and then open them in a new page. Select that mod, and now you will need to either use Mod Manager, the Thunderstore Manager, or manual download. I've made a video more dedicated to installing any mods, so you can follow that if you want to use Mod Manager, but in this case we're going to go for the manual download right here. Now, when we have this specific mod right here, we need to pay attention to required modes as well. And we have this one, which we need to open in a new page. Then we need to go for it. And here we have another mod that also is necessary to install. And now we have three different pages opened. I actually won't be installing this one, so let's just close it. Now all you have to do is install the mods from the last one to the first one that you've opened. So we're gonna start with this one that we've opened and select manual download. I've already downloaded it, so I'm not gonna click on that. You don't need any account to install it, so it's just a click of a button. Next was this one also, and this one also. And now find the game directory that you have, and for that I'm gonna use the Steam. We can go for our library, right click on our game, move to properties, install files, and then browse. Now your folder with the game will open, and you won't have this folder right here, so just don't pay attention for it right now. We need to now open each pack that we've downloaded. So there's three of them right here. We're gonna go for R.E.P.O in X, and here we need to open this folder right there and then copy those three files in our game directory, and it should go just like that. Then next thing will be the Nick Lemo mini leap, and we need to put those files. I actually am not sure where you should exactly put them, but I know how to easily fix this. So we need to open our R.E.P.O in X folder in our repo directory, then put those files in the R.E.P.O in X along with the plugins. So put them in both of the places, which will fix any issues with that not working. Next will be the YMC MHZ more heads, and there's a plugins folder, which means all we have to do is just put it in our R.E.P.O in X. So it will overwrite the plugins, and then all we have to do is launch our game. So I'm gonna actually try to speed up the video right here so you can just not to waste your time. So here's my game open, and now to actually use those cosmetics we need to host the game, join the game, or play it in single player, which I'm gonna do. Okay, so we're in the game, we need to hit escape, and then in the bottom left corner you can select more heads, which will allow you to customize your characters. So you can choose whichever cosmetics you like, and then it will be applied, as you can see, to your character. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.